All right, so here we have 4 graduated cylinders. And if you look very carefully at each one of them, if you zoom right in, and we'll try zooming in on this one right here, we can see that it has exactly 10 milliliters. So each one of these graduated cylinders has exactly 10 milliliters of liquid in them. Now, the 2 on the left both contain water. The 2 on the right, one of them contains water, the other contains methanol. So what we're first going to do is see what happens when we pour 10 milliliters of water into a graduated cylinder that already has 10 milliliters of water. Now, you can make a prediction, but I think you probably have a pretty good idea of what should happen if I pour this in here. What we should see, get rid of those bubbles. If we look at it right on from the side, you should see that it has, again, 20 milliliters. So we had 10 in each of the originals, we mixed them together, and it gave us 20 milliliters. And I think that's probably what we would have predicted to happen. But what happens if we take 10 milliliters of methanol and add it to 10 milliliters of water? Make a prediction. What do you think will happen? What do you think the final volume is going to be? All right, we'll give it a pour. Now, let's zoom in on that. Let's get in nice and close. And if we turn that slightly so we can see it, if you take a really good look at that, what you should see is that it's actually not 20 milliliters. We end up with 19 milliliters total. So we started with 10 milliliters of water and 10 milliliters of methanol, and when we mixed them, it added up to 19, not 20. So the question is, where did that other milliliter go? All right, we're gonna drop some drops of water onto the surface of this piece of plastic. Now, watch the shape. Take a look at what the shape of those drops looks like. All right, so let's take a look at a few of those drops. Now, take a good look at them from the side. And you can see what the surface of those drops looks like. All right, now, watch what happens if some of those drops get close together. If we get them to just touch, see what happens to the drops when they touch. What do you think is happening there? All right, we've got 2 beakers with 300 milliliters of water each. The one on the left has cold water in it. The one on the right has hot water in it. Now let's watch what happens when we add a drop of food coloring to each one. Now notice what happens to the color. All right, so after 2 minutes, you can see that the color in the hot has spread evenly throughout the entire beaker. Whereas the color in the cold has still not spread out.